Ikot-ikot today. We're so happy. Luna is with my in-laws. Makakapag-ikot kami ni JJ na dalawa lang kami. Okay, we're coming from Queens and the weather is feels like -4. So, okay, hindi ko talaga alam. Wala kami masyadong plano kung saan namin gusto magpunta. So we traveled all the way to eat at Cat's Den. Huli namin kumain doon mga 2017. Okay, and check out niyo yung line na naabutan namin dito. Oh my God, nakita niyo yung pila? So, ayun yung cat somewhere over there pa sa dulo.
That's easy, mga isang oras ka lahat.
So, okay. Hayaan na natin, hindi na kami kakain dyan dahil naming oras ang maaksaya. Tignan nyo, grabe. Cat's Deli. Okay? Ginugoogle pa manda namin kung ano yung o-orderin, di ba? But, ayun talaga. Ganyan yung pila yung sa cats. Oh, sorry. There you go. Never mind. Okay, we found a new place we're just gonna walk to. Pero, ilang minutes walk? 17-minute walk. We're gonna go to Lombardi's Pizza as recommended by our friend, si Attorney Lou. Sabi niya sa akin, try ko daw yun. It's a popular pizza spot here. Di pa namin natatry. And if you Google mo yung name, parang top rated siya. Nagda #1 pizza place for a while. Diba? Okay? Lakad-lakad. Grabe guys yung mahal ng parking rate to. 1/2 hour, $15. Grabe. Oh, pero ito siya itsura niya. Elevated. Look, we found a Filipino restaurant. Pero hindi muna namin siya susubukan today. Okay, finally, we've made it. Lombardi's Pizza. May line pero maikli lang. Thank you. Okay guys, we got a number.
But it would take 40 minutes to an hour.
Yeah, we were told the waiting time is 40 minutes to an hour. We're gonna wait it out.
Dapat nag-3M pizza na lang tayo eh.
Okay. So we're gonna wait.
So not like the full thing.
We're here.
After good, yung mga 45 minutes of waiting.
Hindi umabot ba tayo? Oh my God. Well, it went by fast. So, okay na. So, it's the first this is the first pizzeria in America. Look at that. Liit lang siya. The first order. Sarap, babe. Guys, hintayin niyo yung McDonald's, okay? Next stop na kami. Pero, See this McDonald's coming up? Yan yung McDonald's kung saan sinod yung coming to America. After Lombardi's, we had to go home na pala. Ano ba yan? Lumabas lang kami para kumain ng pizza. Ano ang rating mo sa Lombardi's?
I'd say 6, 7. Meron lang.
I mean, it was good. Good ha. And I guess okay na nasubukan namin dahil siya daw ang unang pizzeria dito sa America, in the US. But, would I wait that long again in line to have it? Maybe, hindi na. Okay na natikman ko siya. I feel like I've had better New York pizza. Oh, dito yung mga artichoke dati na kinain namin. Artichoke pizza from Bastille's ba yun?
Parang ganun.
A long time ago. Hindi ko lang ma-recall yung iba. But yeah, pero if you wanna try it out, you might like it. For our taste lang ba? Iba.
There's nothing wrong, ha? Talagang masarap naman din, di ba?
Actually, mas gusto ko pa yung Windsor pizza eh. Oy guys, by the way,
Antonino's.
masarap ang Windsor pizza.
Antonino's.
Okay. Tapos, kaya kailangan namin umuwi dahil magsisimba pa kami. Ganun talaga. Ang hirap mag-ikot dahil napakalamig din, ano? Sabi ni JJ, hindi nasasanay mag-commute.
Ang daming tao. Sobrang ayaw ng public transport.
Ano?
Biro lang, ha?
Oo, pero paglabas namin ng Lombardi, sobrang daming tao na bigla. Tapos, ayun. Okay. Nakita niyo yung McDonald's kanina, yun yung pinagshootingan ng Coming to America with Eddie Murphy. Remember
But
that
it wasn't
one?
McDo, di ba? It was a different...
Iba na yung name. As in, it's in the next block from this apartment. Okay? Who's excited to ride the train?
This is Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is 46.
You don't have the train?
Okay. Kapamilya Restaurant. We're in Woodside, Queens. Sa iba daw. Pero ang dami palang Filipino restaurants dito. Oh. Kabayan. Tapos, Kabayan din. Naturo-turo dito. Okay. I'm guessing nandito yung Manila Street or Manila Avenue, no? Na parang dineclare lang a few months back. Okay. Oh, may PNB. I guess we're in Little Manila of some sorts. Dito daw kami sa Inihaw.
Tatawag muna ako doon, baka 6 to 8.
Luna, barbecue. This is the first Jollibee branch in East Coast, no? In the US, ano ba yun, no? Pauwi na kami. And ayun, no, bumili pa kami ng red ribbon. Dadaling ko naman dun sa pinsan ko bukas. I'm gonna go to her condo. Ate!
Sing it.
Okay. We're home. Ito yung backyard nila tita.
You're not listening. You're supposed to have gloves.
Say hi to my vlog, Tito X. Say hi.
I'm here with a child that doesn't listen.
What are you doing? No, Mama Tita said she has gloves for you to play with snow.
Go get the gloves, Luna.
Yeah.